Hey, so what's up guys, this is me and I am back with another interesting video, and this video gonna be very interesting for you guys because in this video I'm gonna tell you that how I bought this amazing MacBook at the age of just 16 and how I made that much income to able to buy this amazing MacBook. I'm gonna tell in this video in depth. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting the video, have a look on amazing cinematics of this MacBook. Hope you guys liked the cinematics of my amazing MacBook. Let's come to the main point, that how I made that much income to able to buy this amazing MacBook by my own. So the answer is this: all the way through freelancing. I made every single penny through freelancing, and what I did is I have done SEO for my international clients. I have made different types of websites, e-commerce stores for my international clients, and per month I am making 100k to 150k easily, and everybody could do this. So for that purpose, I am having plans to introduce you some new courses related to backlinks, related to SEO, related to website development, and then you guys could also make that amount of income, and that income would be a passive income. So that's how I made that much income to able to buy this amazing MacBook. So this is the video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to tell me in the comment section that how was my MacBook and how was the cinematics. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.